Hey guys, it's Jake. So if you're having problems with your MetaHuman as a playable character looking like this when you start moving around, then in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that real fast. So first, let's go into our character. Got him as the playable third-person character. I'm just assuming you would already be at this point. So what you're going to want to do is navigate to the MetaHuman's body. We got male, tall, normal weight, body. You're going to want to right click on that. You're going to want to go to skeleton and then over to assign skeleton. And then in here, we're going to go ahead and find SK mannequin. Go ahead and hit accept. Let that build. Cool. So now we got the MetaHuman's skeleton assigned to Manny's skeleton. So what we want to do now is go over into characters, mannequins, rigs, and open up the CR mannequin foot IK rig. You can also navigate over to the animation blueprint, go into the anim graph, find the control rig, and you can double click the control rig and that'll open up the same thing. So we're gonna end up fixing this. What we need to do, I'm going over to preview tab. So now you're gonna find the bone hierarchy. In there you're gonna select the root bone. From the root bone you're gonna right click it, you're gonna click add virtual bone. From there you're gonna click on root. It's gonna create a VB root underscore root. So that's our virtual bone root. Make sure that that virtual bone is selected, right click it, add another virtual bone, and in here you can type foot, add foot underscore R. Ignore the IK ones, just the regular foot bone. So foot R, go back up to VB root underscore root, right click on it again, add a virtual bone, search for foot, and add the left foot. So now we have virtual bones set up for our feet. So now let's save that, go back into our control rig, find your rig hierarchy tab. Depending on your layout, it could be on the right side. Mine's on the left. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see we don't see our virtual bones that we added. We need to refresh this. At the top of the hierarchy, right click on the root, go to refresh down at the bottom. It's going to say select mesh. Click on that. I'm just going to select SKM Manny Simple. Now that it's updated, when we scroll down, there they are. VB root with the foot R and foot L. So now in the control rig itself, what we're going to do is we are going to change at the very top under step 1, foot trace, says IK underscore foot L. Just type in VB and put in your VB root underscore foot underscore L. Do the same thing for the right foot, but use your virtual bone for the right foot. Do that. You can ignore step 2, it doesn't have anything in it. Step 4 down here, these are invalid anyway, so that's left foot. We're gonna change it to our virtual bone. This one we're gonna change to our right foot virtual bone. That one is good as it is. Come down to step 5, change this one as well to our virtual bone. Change this to the right virtual bone. Okay, we're gonna compile and save that. Oh, there you go. Looks like it already updated. We just saw his legs snap. Sometimes you have to restart the editor. Take a look. But now it should be fixed. Go ahead and play. And there you go, guys. And that was a quick fix to get your foot IK working with a MetaHuman using Manny's skeleton. So now it doesn't look so goofy when you're running around. If that helped you guys, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more content like this a lot more frequently. Thanks again for following along on the journey, and take care. See you next time.